talking about weight loss and protein supplementation. Stepping stones to a healthier you, a guide to weight loss. So nowadays everybody is into weight loss. Uh, so problems of heavy weight, everybody knows, like stroke, diabetes, PCOS. Last week we are talking about PCOS and weight gain, fatty liver. Mostly obese patients coming to us are having fatty liver, and PCOS girls also have fatty liver. Mostly BMI above 28, above 29, they have fatty liver. So debunking weight loss myths. So people say crash diets are the fastest way to lose weight. This is a myth because people come to us say कि बहुत जल्दी weight loss करना है, किसी marriage में जाना है, किसी function में जाना है. तो that is not the I believe that is not healthy way. They are unhealthy and unsustainable. बहुत जल्दी से regain हो जाता है वो weight जो crash diets करके हम करते हैं. And I don't, as you all know, I don't believe in any fat diets. I don't believe in crash diets. Spot reduction is okay. Spot reduction is possible. The reality is we can't target fat loss in specific areas. People say skipping meals helps with weight loss. Reality is it can lead to overeating later. अगर हम बहुत टाइम तक नहीं खाएंगे, we are not eating for lot many hours, तो उसके बाद लगेगा कि we can eat anything. Especially we indulge in junk. So skipping meals should not be there. People say all carbs are bad. It is not. Like ma'am said, we should have complex carbs provide essential energies. Complex carbs, when we say, what does it mean? Complex carbs comes from it is fiber basically, like oat bran, fresh fruits, fresh vegetables. These are all complex carbohydrates. Even mango also, banana also. So there is no need to skip when you are on weight loss diet to skip mango, to skip banana. लोग बोलते हैं कि आप मैम मैंगो शेक पिलाते हो, बनाना शेक पिलाते हो weight loss में. We can easily have that. In breakfast, breakfast is the main meal. You can go for mango shake, you can go for banana shake, but without the simple sugars. With the we can do with the sugar of the fruit, and a glass of. I'll come to it. I'll come to it with the shakes. The cycle of carbs heavy diet. When you eat carbs, carbs create glucose bloodstream. Insulin needed to regulate blood sugar. Insulin creates new fat cells. You gain weight, so need to eat more. Insulin only burns carbs, so you crave for carbs. So this we are talking about heavy carbs. Heavy carbs means simple carbohydrate, chini, maida. This is heavy carbs. So always switch to complex carbs. Carbs are very, very much important, as ma'am just described it. So after we have achieved our weight loss. Main aim is to manage our weight. People come to me with they say, मैम एक बार आप weight loss करवा देंगे तो weight तो बढ़ जाएगा. बढ़ जाता है, हमने वहाँ भी डाइट किया था, यहाँ भी किया था, weight तो वापस आ गया हमारा. Weight मैं बोलती हूँ 200% आ जाएगा weight वापस. If you start indulging in all the junk which you were having earlier, आप और you once in a while you can definitely indulge. Once a week or once in fortnight you can indulge, but अगर daily वैसा ही routine बना लिया जैसा हमारा चल रहा था जब हम obese थे, तो definitely the weight will come back. So how to manage? What will be the main aims of weight management? To prevent further weight gain, to reduce body weight, to maintain reduced body weight, to improve obesity associated risk factors and comorbidities, to improve quality of life. So how can you do all these things? After you have achieved your ideal body weight or whatever is your target for weight loss, you can, after you have achieved that, you should have a proper 3 meals day plan for diet. Proper breakfast, proper lunch, proper dinner. In between, if you are craving for some sweet, just have some mixed seeds or nuts or fruit. Fruit is the best option because they are having good fiber. And sometimes you can indulge in your favorite food as well. Building healthy habits, create a calorie deficit, focus on whole unprocessed foods, include plenty of fruits, vegetables and whole grains in your diet. Choose lean protein sources like fish, chicken and beans. Consume healthy fats, manage stress, reduce cortisol, pay attention to portion sizes. This is the key to weight loss, portion sizes. Stay hydrated by drinking 2 to 3 liters of water. Find an exercise routine. So now we are talking about best strategy for fat loss. Some people say I eat everything but I do exercise. Some say I do only diet, I don't do exercise. Some say both. So both is the best strategy. Exercise only, poor strategy because it can burn extra calories, can build muscle, can improve metabolism, likely to get frustrated and leave. We get frustrated कि exercise तो हम कर रहे हैं पर weight loss नहीं हो रहा है. डाइट में क्या होता है कि कैन क्रिएट डेफिनेटली अगर आप बहुत अच्छा डाइट फॉलो कर रहे हैं कैन हेल्प क्रिएट कैलोरी डेफिसिट, likely to lose muscle mass, metabolism can dip quickly, likely to hit a plateau very soon. फिर उसके बाद लगता है कि ये स्टक हो गया वेट. बट इफ वी आर डूइंग बोथ डाइट एंड एक्सरसाइज, दिस इज द बेस्ट स्ट्रैटेजी. Calorie deficit can be maximized, will help preserve muscle mass, can maintain metabolism. Most pleasant results with both. Healthy foods, fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean protein, healthy fats and seed. All of you know chia seeds, sunflower seeds, hemp seeds, pumpkin seeds. How does protein help us? Protein helps us preserve lean body mass, good for our bones, store less body fat, build muscle. So benefits of protein for weight loss, better appetite control because protein helps you feel satisfied and prevents hunger. Metabolic boost, protein helps burn more extra kilos and prevents the slowing of metabolism. Reduce food cravings because when you are having a high fiber diet, definitely you are satiated for a long time. Improved body composition, reduce energy intake. Increases in protein at meals can have substantial effects on energy intake, which is essential for weight loss. Sources of protein, everybody knows animal-based, plant-based, legumes, tofu, nut, grains and seed, green peas, animal-based, eggs, meat, fish and seafood, dairy. Now I was talking earlier about the shakes and smoothies. We can definitely have homemade shakes. We can have fruit yogurts, hunkered yogurts. You can start your day with these shakes. Makhana almond smoothie, date banana smoothie. If you want sugar in that, you can use dates or raisins you can add. Banana shake also helps in weight loss. If you're having just that, you can take it with curd also, banana smoothie with curd also for breakfast in very good amount. I never tell my patients to have very small portion if you're having just the banana shake. But the amount of banana is less and you can take low fat milk or almond milk or coconut milk. Now we talk about whey protein. Whey is the liquid part of milk that separates during cheese production. If you have ever opened a yogurt container, the liquid floating on the top, that is whey. Benefits of whey: improves satiety, builds muscle mass and strength, supports metabolism, burn calories, help meet protein requirements. This is a sample diet plan. For weight loss. This is for weight loss and high protein. Start your day with half teaspoon of methi seeds soaked overnight, and pre-breakfast you can have a vegetable juice. Breakfast mango lassi shake, or you can add makhane also to it. That is super food. Or till lunch you can be on this, or if you don't want to have this, you can have moong dal idli with veggies in it, moong dal chila or besan chila, or a sprouted dal chila. Mid-morning a banana, which will again keep you satiated till lunch. This is for weight loss, so steamed veggies with soup or chickpea salad or bhel puri homemade, vegetable khichdi, oats chila with lots of veggies. You can have 2 chilas at a time, no issues. But because if you are not having a good amount of diet, you will indulge afterwards in some junk. Tea time also: dry roasted makhana, 1 cup ginger tea with lemon. Dinner: boiled eggs or lemon chicken if you are fond of non-veg, or vegetable soup, or chilas can also be had for dinner. Additional tips: plan your meals and snacks. Planning meals and snacks in advance help you make healthy choices and avoid unhealthy temptations when you are hungry. Prepare healthy snacks to have on hand when hunger strikes. Hydration is the key. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day is crucial for overall health and can also aid in weight loss. Water keeps you feeling full. Sometimes we are not hungry, we are thirsty. So can help reduce cravings. Cook more meals at home. Do not skip meals. Make gradual changes. This is a weight loss program which I gave. This is a personalized and she was 78. She lost 20 kgs in 4 months. And the other one, that one, she lost 35 kgs in 6 months. Thank you.